You can never avoid negative thinking. However, by applying few simple techniques, you can disempower them, you can neutralize them, you can make them ineffective. Friends, you are watching my Sunday motivations. Today's video is extremely important as this is the foundation of anything you want to achieve in your life. So before proceeding further, don't forget to subscribe this channel and watch this video till end. We all have negative thoughts. We all have disempowering thoughts. But at the same time, we also have positive thoughts. Sometimes we have inspiring thoughts. We have empowering thoughts. But problem is that our positive thoughts are overtaken by negative thoughts. They are suppressed by our negative thoughts. They are suppressed by our past failures, our past traumas, vulnerabilities, disempowerments, etc. In this video, we will see how we can overpower these negative thoughts. As I said earlier, you can never avoid negative thinking. You can simply neutralize them. You can disempower them. What we need to do is to change our thinking pattern. We have to change our habit. Anything happens, we make a story. And that story is often negative. Can we make this story empowering, positive, and self-serving? Let us understand this with the help of a simple example. Imagine there is a father. He has a shop in the suburb of Mumbai or in a small town. He has a teenager son who goes to college. He goes to college from 7 a.m. in the morning till 10:30 a.m. After that, his father makes him work in the shop from 11 a.m. up to 7 p.m. What is the story the son makes in his mind? My father is torturing me. There is another father who also has a teenager son. He also goes to college. He also works in the shop from 11 a.m. till 7 p.m. He also makes a story in his mind. What is his story? He says, my father is giving me practical training to make me a successful businessman. Incidents are same. Occurrences are same. But story is different. Interpretation is different. Let's see an example from the corporate world. Some of you, I'm sure most of you, might have heard the name of Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, a leading pharmaceutical company of the South. When Mr. G.V. Prasad was made CEO of the company, 2/3 of the employees left the company within 3 months. There was an environment of panic in the company. What was the story in the mind of the G.V. Prasad? Thank God, at least 1/3 loyal employees are with me. I will win their trust and take the company forward to a greater height. And he did so. Today, this company has 20,000 employees. And if you go and ask any employees, why you come and work in this company every day, you are bound to get an answer, because good health cannot work. Good health cannot work has become the ethos of this company. Real life examples are better than tons of theories. Theories do not work. Techniques do not work. It is your experience, it is your feelings which will make change in your life. It is your feelings, it is your experiences which will make change in your life. Some of you might have heard the name of Hridayeshwar Singh Bhati, a 16-year-old boy from Jaipur. He was suffering from motor neuron disease and was always wheelchair bound. He always said, either you suffer or you innovate. Once it so happened that he was watching farewell ceremony of Sachin Tendulkar. He saw that Sachin's mother and Sachin's coach were brought in wheelchair. They were ordinary wheelchairs. At that moment he decided, I will invent power wheelchairs. And he did so. He invented power wheelchairs. And today he wants to give one of such power wheelchair as a gift to Sachin Tendulkar. When Sachin's name comes to mind, we think of nothing but cricket only. Suppose there is a bowler, he throws a googly, and there is a batsman, he is out. One batsman might react and say, this bowler is stupid. Another batsman, similar circumstances, he also faces a googly, he is out. He says, I need further training. One batsman reacted, other batsman responded. It is only reaction, whether you react or whether you respond, makes a difference in your life. So please ask a question to yourself, whether in your day-to-day life, whether you react to a situation or you respond to a situation. Reaction is negative. Reaction is disempowering. In response, you take responsibilities. You open the door of possibilities. You find a solution. So whether to react or respond, choice is yours. If you want to develop positive mental attitude and achieve success and happiness, and if you want to achieve and reach to your highest capability, do invest at least 7 minutes on this channel and watch one video every day. Step by step, this video, this channel will take you to a newer height, and soon you will see mega change in your life. But remember, Rome was not built in a day. Rome was built every day. If this was useful, please give a like to this video and also subscribe to our channel, The Sunday Motivations. For any feedback, any question, any query, please use the comment section below. This is all in this video, and we'll soon meet in our next video. Till then, take care and be positive.